Hey everyone, today we're gonna do a super quick routine for jawline sculpt. First of all, fix your posture, stand tall and keep your head up for a tall neck. Then we're gonna start with massaging sides of our neck for lymphatic drainage massage. We're gonna do this for 10 times, coming down on the neck. And the next move is neck lift. Hold your collarbones with your hands, tilt your head up a little and move your jaw forward, then turn your head to the left and right. Do this for 10 times. The next exercise is for double chin. With your knuckles, go underneath the chin to the ears, gliding smoothly and moving double chin fat towards the lymph nodes. Next exercise is for jawline sculpt. For this exercise, you kinda like pinching your chin and moving from the chin towards the ears again, and doing this for 10 times. And the last move, come down on the sides of the neck. Next exercise is again for the fat under the jawline. With knuckles, massage outwards under the jawline towards the ears, doing this for 10 times, and then massage the corner of your jaw like this for like 5 to 7 seconds, and then do the same thing for the other side. With this movement, we are moving the fat underneath the chin towards the ears and then to the lymph nodes, and we are kind of like removing the fat and leading it towards the nodes to go out of the body. Next exercise is jawline lift. We are going to do this exercise for 5 times on each side. So it's like you are again pinching the skin, moving it upwards towards the ears. Be smooth and slow on this exercise and try not to make any wrinkles on the skin while you are doing this. At the last move, come down on the sides of the neck and the other side. While you are going up, try to feel that you are lifting the skin and the face, and kind of like imagine that this exercise is really working on the muscles, because in this way you're gonna be more aware of the exercises that you are doing. So this was it, guys. It was a very quick routine for jawline sculpt. I hope you liked this quick routine, and see you next one. Bye.